Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to listen to a small poetry extract from the book Chasing Ant. Months telling their story. So now we should start the poem Calm February. Pleasure giving new life a rise, lifeless nature starts a new drive. Flower birds burst, creatures develop a new trust. This February also the same story. Humans for greed, not for glory. Pleasure for only men, other creatures are banned. Nature try to flourish, our winning deeds malnourish. Pluck flowers for joy, manipulate nature and destroy. Human hills of garbage carried in a cartage overthrow the soil, take million years to recoil. This month was too of chills, greenhouse gas increased spills. Raised heat by trapping sunlight, pushing us in a plight. Job done by us, swept climbed on to dusk. Destructive rains is unlimited, disastrous work to be prohibited. Stop creating havoc, slow down the present demolition gallop. Stop creating havoc, slow down the present demolition gallop. आई होप गाइज ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। पसंद आई है तो गिव इट अ बिग थम्स अप। लाइक करना मत भूलेगा। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अगर चैनल पर नए हैं। वो लाल वाला बटन है उसे ग्रे करे बिना कहीं मत जाइए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। बाय बाय।